In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check if your mail is delivered in Gmail. Understanding how to ensure that your emails have been successfully sent can save you time and frustration, especially when waiting for important responses. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to confirm that your email was indeed sent successfully. The easiest way to do this is by opening up your Gmail account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Sent folder, which you can find in the left sidebar of your Gmail interface. This folder is essential as it lists all the emails that have been successfully sent from your account. Now browse through the list to locate the specific email you're checking on. If your email is listed there, you'll know it has been sent successfully. That's a great first step in ensuring delivery. However, if you notice an error message such as message not delivered or delivery failed, you'll need to open that email to view more detailed information on why it wasn't sent. When a message fails to deliver, Gmail will usually send you a notification email from the mail delivery subsystem. This email provides valuable insights into why your message could not reach the recipient. The reasons can vary, including a mistyped email address, the recipient's inbox being full, or possibly the recipient's address being blocked. Now, here are a few additional tips. Always double check the email address before hitting send. A minor typo might lead to a delivery failure. If the issue is a full inbox or a blocked address, you might want to try reaching out to the recipient through an alternative communication method. Let them know you're having trouble with your emails to them and see if they can clear some space or adjust their settings. Remember, while seeing your email in the sent folder means it was dispatched from your end, it doesn't necessarily guarantee that it's landed safely in the recipient's inbox. This process confirms only the initial phase of delivery. Therefore, ensuring the accuracy of the address and being mindful of bounce-back messages can further help you manage your email communications more efficiently. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively determine the delivery status of your emails in Gmail. Checking the Sent folder is a quick and simple means of confirming successful email dispatch, while being mindful of error notifications helps you troubleshoot any delivery issues that may arise. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found these insights